Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a skinny version of Santa Claus. And I have it sketched out already, so let's get right to it with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this Santa, and to begin we're going to start out with his hat first. So we're going to draw in the bottom portion of his hat. So this will be just kind of like a rounded rectangle. Alright, and then once we have that, just come over here. I'm going to draw one line going up. And then for the other side, just kind of come up. Just kind of have it slant more going out this way. And then we'll continue this, just come all the way around. And then come over here, we're going to draw in the little fluffy part first. So we just draw a circle in here. And then go back up here, we're going to just continue down and just connect to the circle. And then finish this out, just close it off. Alright, so now that we're finished with the hat, we're going to come down and draw his face. So just kind of come in, it's going to be a little bit skinnier. Just going to draw two lines like this coming straight down first. And then right underneath here, I'm going to draw in his eyebrow. So I'm going to draw two slants coming down. And then let's turn that into like a little bar. So just give it a little bit of a thickness. Okay, and then from there I'm going to draw in his eye, so just come right below the eyebrow, just two little circles. So we're keeping it cartoony, and then right here, just right underneath the eyes, just one big nose. Let's draw like a little egg shape. And then from here we're going to draw in his mustache, so on the side here, I'm just going to curve it up. Come down in the middle, you can make a little point, and then I'm just gonna come. So just curve down, and just connect to the center. Okay, so that's his mustache, and then whatever space you have in here, I'll just close that off. And then we'll give him some hair on the side right here. So let's draw one curve on each side, close everything off. Okay, and then for his beard, we're just gonna come out from the side here. Nice and fluffy. We'll just draw a little bracket like this first. And then just go all the way around. Just give it a couple of bumps. So it doesn't have to be exactly like this, just as long as you have these almost like a cotton ball shape. Okay, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the body is gonna be, it's gonna be pretty easy to draw because it's a little bit skinnier. So just come to the side here. This is gonna be his coat. Close this off on the bottom. And then let's just finish off this detail on the bottom here. So we're gonna draw a bracket and then just close everything off. Okay, and let's draw in his belt so we know where we are. So right here, toward the bottom, one big rectangle here. This is gonna be the belt buckle. And draw another rectangle inside. And then for the belt itself, let's go out toward the sides with two lines, nice and easy. Alright, and then for his coat right here, just one line in the center. And I'm gonna add a couple of buttons on this side. Alright, so now let's draw in his arms, and let's draw this one first because this one's a little bit easier. This one's just gonna be on his side here. So right here on the bottom, I'm gonna draw in his fist first. Okay, so it's almost like a little rounded square. And then up here, just one little curve that's gonna finish off the his glove. And then now let's go back up here. So here's his armpit. Here's his shoulder. From his shoulder, just come out. Just curve it into this part here. And then now for the inside line here, just one little curve. His arm's gonna be bent. And then from here, just come into this curve. Alright, I know it's a little bit tricky right here. Alright, so now let's draw the other arm, and it's gonna be holding the bag of gifts. So I'm just gonna come out here first and draw in the little end for the bag. So I'm just gonna curve, just round it out, and then right in here, just one little curve, and we can add a little line here for the folds. Okay, so now that we have the bag here, let's draw in his hand. So his gloves just gonna go all the way around. I know it's a little bit strange. And then the bottom here. Okay, and then to finish up the arm, from here, just curve, come back into the body. And then for the top part here, here's his shoulder, just come down into the bag. Alright, and so that's it for the arm, and I'll draw in his bag later. Let's finish up his legs first. Alright, so for his legs, it's gonna be very skinny as well. So I'm gonna come out to the side. I'm just gonna draw on both sides first. And then come toward the center. Just come out a little bit. So his leg's gonna be skinny. Close it off. And then now for his boot, we'll flare out and then close that off. So same thing here. Alright, and then now for his boot on the bottom, just come all the way down. And then from the corner here, just one big bulge going out. Close that off, so that's gonna be a shoe on the bottom. And then just finish off this line right here. Just go right into the circle. Okay, so same thing here. All the way down. One big bump, and then close that off. And then continue with this line. Okay, so that's the easy way of drawing any kind of shoes or boot. Alright, so now let's go up and finish up the bag. So right here, I'm just gonna add in a few lines right here. And you can make the bag as big as you want. And actually, I'm gonna make it pretty big myself. So I'm gonna come up here. Just curve all the way around. I'm gonna start up here. Come all the way down. Okay, and then however big you make it, just kind of have it go around on the back. Just kind of continue that all the way up. Imagine the curve going all the way around. And that is it for my version of a skinny Santa Claus. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.